Hello, my name's Lissy from Stafford Land Rover, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on the Land Rover Discovery 3.0 D300 Metropolitan Edition. Now, this vehicle is a diesel with an automatic transmission. It is ULEZ compliant and is finished in Carpathian grey metallic paint. To start off with, then you have your matrix LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with 22-inch 5-spoke gloss black finish alloy wheels, really complementing against the Carpathian grey exterior colour. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, you can find your electric boot lid, and once open you can see that you've got a substantial amount of room. You could easily fit in a large size suitcase or a push chair. As well as this, you also have a 7-seat configuration, allowing you to carry up to 2 extra passengers. Also located within the boot, you are able to find your deployable tow bar controls, and this allows you to tow things such as a trailer or perhaps even a caravan for those weekend getaways. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find ebony and light cloud leather upholstery. The rear seats do have ISOFIX fittings, ideal for small children's car seats. Moving through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system, and as we pan around again, you can find that lovely upholstery once more, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. You also have a sliding panoramic sunroof with a fixed rear roof, really allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, which is also heated, you have your hands-free options, volume controls, and of course your cruise control. Taking a look at the dash, you can see this vehicle has done 27,241 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. This vehicle also features a head-up display, which is a brilliant safety feature as it allows you to see the speed you are travelling at without taking your eyes off the road. On your infotainment system, you have everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring that you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. As well as this, you also have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, allowing you to use Apple or Google Maps, or perhaps just listen to your own music whilst on the go. You also have DAB radio, which has all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. 4x4 information, weight sensing, and your terrain response drive information. All these different features make the vehicle suited for most off-road terrain and any off-road adventures you may plan or find yourself on. The front seats in this car are both heated and ventilated, ideal for those hot summer days as well as those colder winter ones, ensuring that you always stay comfortable no matter what. You of course also have the 360 view camera, allowing you to see almost every angle of the vehicle, making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier. This has been a presentation on a Land Rover Discovery 3.0 D300 Metropolitan Edition. It's now available to purchase from Stafford Land Rover. For more information, please contact our sales team.